Hello, good morning, one and everyone. Last time we have seen the method of Pearson coefficient of correlation by using product moment method. But in that case, x bar and y bar both the values are completely integer values. So we have taken x minus x bar, y minus y bar, x minus x bar whole square, y minus y bar whole square, x minus x bar into y minus y bar. Today we are going to see the method in which value of x bar or value of y bar or both x bar and y bar are not in the integer form, means in the fraction form. Then what to do? How to calculate? We are given in our textbook page number 77, example number 11. Population density per square kilometer denoted by x variable, rate of death per 1000 people denoted by variable y, and data are given. 6 number of the pairs A, B, C, D, E, F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In correlation, if you want to calculate Pearson method coefficient of correlation, then first of all we have to compute x bar and y bar both. X bar means sigma x upon n, y bar means sigma y upon n. Total of x 2700, total of y 68. X bar become 450, y bar become 11.33. Here x bar is integer value, but y bar is in the fraction form. How to compute? It is difficult, it is tedious to use the previous method in such type of example. Therefore we reduce, we minimize the data, and it is known as UV method, UV method. Right? Column x, y, u, v, u square, v square, uv. But how to calculate u and v? Here we observe that data series x 200, 500, 400, 700, 600 and 300. Each value of x is divisible by 100. Therefore 100 is a common factor for the series x. While in the case y, there is no common factor. 10, 12, 15, such, etc. 9, 12. Some of the numbers are even numbers, some of the numbers are odd numbers. And that is why there is no common in series y. So we take u as a, u means x minus a upon cx, cx means common factor of x. First of all subtract 500, then divided by 100 for the series x. For the series y, only take y minus b upon cy. Cy is common factor of the series y, we take only 1, y minus 12. We take as y minus 12 only. Therefore, for the series x, first of all subtract 500, 200 minus 500, it becomes minus of 300. And minus 300, if you divide by 100, then it becomes minus 3. 500 minus 500, 0. 0 divided by any number, it becomes 0. 400 minus 500 means minus 100. Minus 100 upon 100 means minus 1. 700 minus 500, it becomes 200. 200 divided by 100, it becomes 2. Same way we calculate u. Now we simply subtract 12. You may subtract 10. You may select any value. Not necessarily I have taken 12. You may take 10 also. You may take 10 also. Therefore, here total change, final answer would remain same. There is no change in the final answer. Therefore, x and y you may interchange by any value. You can add, you can subtract, you can multiply, you can divide. So it is known as, it is independent of change of origin and it is independent of change of scale also. Simply subtract 12, 10 minus 12, it becomes minus 2. 12 minus 12, it becomes 0. 10 minus 12, it becomes minus 2 and so on. Then take u square, v square, uv. Square of this column, minus 3, square become 9, 0, square is 0, minus 1, square is plus 1, 2, square is 4, similarly square of b. U square, v square, take the product of, in the final column, multiplication of the product of u and v. Minus 3 multiplied by minus 2, it becomes 6. 0 multiplied by any number, 0 minus 1 into minus 2, it becomes 2. 3 2s are 6. 1 and minus 3 multiplication becomes minus 3. Sign multiplication with sign only. Minus minus 2 into 0, it becomes 0. Then make the total of each and every column. Total of u, total of v, total of u square, total of v square, and total of u into v. After completing this table, we compute the coefficient of correlation. The coefficient of correlation R is given by the applicable formula. The applicable formula is n times sigma uv, n times sigma uv in minus sigma u into sigma v upon root of means square root of n times sigma u square, n times sigma u square minus sigma u whole square into n times sigma v square minus sigma v whole square. Now substitute the value. Total of uv 11 means n means number of the pair of the 6 into 11 minus sigma u sigma v. Total of u is minus 3 and total of v is minus 4. Sigma u minus 3 and sigma v minus 4 upon root of 6 u square and v square total. Total of u square is 90, total of v square is 26. This is 19 and this is 26. Minus 3 whole square minus 4 whole square. Further simplify, you will get 11 6 are 66 minus 3 into minus 4, it becomes 12 upon 114 minus 9, minus 3 whole square become 9, minus 4 whole square becomes 16. This is minus sign. 54, 66 minus 12 become 54 upon 105 into 140. The product of these two quantities 14,700 and the square root of this quantity is 121.2436. Therefore, we have to take the division 54 upon 121.2436. The answer becomes 0.4454. As the third digit after the decimal point is 5, which is 5 or more than 5, therefore our final answer would be Rxy. The coefficient of correlation is 0.45, which is below 0.50, and that is why positive correlation is there, but of the slightly low degree. Since R equal to 0.45, this is the interpretation, this is the conclusion. Since R is 0.45, we can say that variables x and variable y means variables x and y are positively correlated under low degree. This is the method, important method. UV is the master key. If x bar and y bar both are positive, completely integer, then also you can apply this method. If x bar or y bar or both are in the fraction value, then you can apply this method. Means this is the master key and most important method for calculation coefficient of correlation. So be practice from exercise number 2.2 as well as illustration example and final exercise 2 from our textbook. You practice it. This exam was generally asked in section E or section F, means for 4 marks or for 5 marks. This is the one of the important method of this chapter. Say UV. You may subtract, you may add, you can multiply, you can divide. Means whatever may be x and y, you can reduce such type of data. Then u square, v square and u will become very easy. Therefore, be practice at home. Thank you everybody. Thank you very much. Okay.